看一下 ，Tim 在这里看说明书呢。When you're ready, you call me to help, okay?
Yeah. Okay, Hannah. I just got to read the instructions and make sure I get it right.
Okay.
Because, yeah, there's no second chances. Right. I gotta get it right.
Remember, what are you doing, Remember? 有苍蝇在飞，所以元宝在这里试着抓苍蝇呢。All right， 今天院子里面的蚊子很多，蚊子、苍蝇啊什么的。这是熏蚊子的香，因为我们这里新房子嘛，有快2年没有住人了，所以蚊子、苍蝇比较多。希望以后会好一点吧。It works now. Hopefully the mosquito will go away, huh?
Yeah, hopefully. Okay, so this is the first couple of steps. I've put in the falls, so it's going to be where the water comes out, overflows and starts the water stream. Right, so that has to be pretty level.
All right.
It has to be level and pointing a little bit forward so the water pours out.
Yeah.
Right, that's close, but yeah, just need to do a little bit more of adjusting. That's better. And we've made a space for the skimmer box there. So that's pretty level and that's not going to move. So we just got to connect. We'll connect that up later to the pump and put that in the skimmer box. But now we can backfill this with soil. Backfill that with some soil.
Oh, okay.
And then
the pump will be there.
Yeah, you can do that last.
Okay. Yeah. So pump the water from there to here.
Yep.
Then water falls down to the pond.
Water will fall down here into the pond, and then it will go in the skimmer box and get pumped back up.
All right.
There's still a lot of work to do, but we've made a start.
Okay, good on you, mate.
Okay.
All right.
That's the theory anyway. I hope it turns out.
Okay. Tired.
Hey?
Very tired. It's hot.
It's very humid today.
今天天气有点闷热。
Okay, so that's gonna be.
All right. Step by step, 对吧？他把这里第一步安好了。
I sort of want to make it like come out there, go there.
Okay.
Swing back again, go there.
So okay, so this you almost prepared now?
Yeah. You know what, Anna? Yeah, I'm not sure whether enough's enough, but I've had enough of digging. So
yeah.
I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna say that's enough.
All right.
I've cleared it all out. The pipe has been buried. And it's all ready to go into the skimmer box.
Yeah.
But you do that later. So I'm going to put the protective fabric over it now.
Okay.
Before you put the pond liner on.
Oh, it looks very big, huh?
It's actually a pond kit for a 2.2 by 3.3 metre.
Oh, it's for the big one.
It's for the big one, but I just thought I'd get the bigger one.
Okay.
I think it's better to have too much than not enough.
Yeah, okay.
I think the idea is to get it smooth as possible.
Mm-hmm. Then the next step is to put the rubber.
Yep.
That's a waterproof thing, yes?
Yeah.
We put on this rubber in the place now, yeah?
Yeah.
So what's the next for you to do?
The next is to put the cover plate on the skimmer box.
Oh, all right. That's where be the what's it called?
Yeah, that's where the water will go into this box and get pumped back up to the.
Oh, okay.
Get up to the falls.
You need a pen or something?
No. Let's see it.
Ayo, the mosquito biting me. 看看它这里挖一个洞，那个是水出水，应该是那个水循环到那里去，然后它那里安那个水泵，然后从那个泵安在那里，水就泵到这个上面这个小水箱里面来。Nearly there, Tim.
Sort of. It's hard
All right.
work.
Yes. Wow. Anyway, yeah, I can see you almost there.
There you go.
Oh, that's a night with color or not?
No.
Okay.
No, it's not. It's just a normal.
Okay. So cover all the stone, then put all the big or small stones. You covered it all, then we finish after?
Yeah.
Okay.
Should be.
好吧。好，辛苦了。
谢谢。Yeah. Yeah, it's hard to know whether to leave the rocks as they are. Is that good, or could I make it better, or that's pretty good or not? I don't know. Try filling with some rocks and see what happens.
It looks good.
I've got lots of these rocks, so I might as well use them up.
Wow, 这是我们开始试验呢，效果还不错。Yes, Tim. 耶！哎呀，这是 Tim 2 more days. Yes, Tim. You start doing this. Looking good. I like it. 这个周围再种一点花花草草的，这个小水池里面再养几条金鱼，放一点浮萍。Yes, it will be beautiful in here. 哇，这是我们现在测试，还没有完全搞好，效果还不错哦。That's what you want, Tim?
Yeah. Basically, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
You happy with this?
Yeah.
I like it too. Yes.
It needs fine tuning.
Yes, I know. This testing
And
only.
we need to put some plants in there.
Yes.
But yeah, I like the way it's operating.
Good. Yes, Tim. So you spend almost 3 days work on this, yeah?
Yeah, that's
This
right.
is almost the final finish, yes?
Yeah.
Let me take a video, the whole video, see? Yes.
I think we like the design of it, don't we?
So now we put some flower in here. Hopefully later it will grow, then cover all the soil dirt.
Yeah. And even grow over the rocks.
Yeah. 所以这里那边也是养上了花，希望它过一段时间会长满了，把那些泥土都 cover 上了。然后这个水从这里下来 ，Tim 在这里最后修改了一下，有一点小的 ，Yeah, 2 waterfalls, small waterfalls, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, looking good. See here， 现在慢慢的下来，然后我们里面有几条金鱼，这是我们老房子里面的金鱼，弄了几条过来了。哇 ，Then 回头 Tim 再买一点点小的浮萍，在这里弄上哈。哎，哦 ，Yes，Where's the other the big red one? Run to somewhere, hiding under the rock. 这几条小的金鱼 ，Yes.
There he is.
Oh yeah. 这大小小大概有7、8条小金鱼，然后这个水就是流到这个里面那个小泵在那里，然后那个水再又泵到那个上面去，就这么循环的不停的流哈。等到长一段时间，我估计就会越来越漂亮了。然后 that corner 那里有一些电线呀什么的，这是最后的一点工作 ，Tim 最后会搞好。That's the last bit of work in there, yeah?
Yeah.
In that corner.
I want the electrician to put in a double outdoor power point.
Yes.
So we can run the lights and the pump at the same time.
Yes.
And clean
这个
it up
Tim
after.
对 Tim 在里面安了几个灯，我前面有介绍过。他在晚上把那个灯打开，就会有灯光在这里，晚上看着会也更漂亮。Yes, looks really good. I like it. We can sit in here and resting, enjoy, listen to the water sound.
Yes.
Then it make you feel relaxed. Yes.
That's the idea, yes. Yes.
好。然后我们这里花园里面，小花园里面还挺漂亮的哈。好了，这就是我们家 Tim 修建我们 DIY 这个 backyard pond 的 whole procedure 哈。
对。
这是他花了3天的时间，然后他一个人，我跟他帮了一点小忙，慢慢的弄起来的。希望大家喜欢。Yes, very beautiful.
Yes.
Thank you for your hard work.
No problem. Hope we get many years of enjoyment out of it.
Yes.
Without too much work.
Yes. 哇，真的很喜欢，很漂亮哈。好了，感谢大家的收看，下次再见。
再见。